In this video, we're going to learn how to add a shake effect in DaVinci Resolve. Start by selecting your clip and switching to the Fusion tab at the bottom of the screen. Once you're in Fusion, press Ctrl and Space on your keyboard to bring up the tool selector. In the search box, type Camera Shake. You will see two versions of the effect, one with brackets and one without. Choose the one without brackets and add it to your clip. As soon as you apply the effect, you'll see a basic shake already applied to the video. Now let's adjust the settings to fine-tune it. Go to the Inspector panel on the right side of the screen. The first thing you can do is increase the motion blur. This will help make the shake feel more natural and less digital. Now let's understand the two main sliders, Motion Scale and Speed Scale. Motion Scale controls how far the image moves during each shake. So if you increase this, the shake becomes more dramatic. Speed Scale controls how quickly the movement happens. If you increase this, the shake becomes faster. You can also adjust the PTR speed. This controls the rate of change for position, tilt, and rotation. Increasing this will make the motion feel more active and sharp. Finally, you can try different motion methods to get different types of movement. These include sine, rectified sine inverted, and square wave. Sine gives a smooth back and forth motion. Rectified. Sine moves in one direction with less bouncing. Rectified sine inverted is the same but flips the direction. Square wave gives sharp, robotic jolts. Each method gives a different feel, so try a few to see which works best for your video. That's it for this tutorial on how to add shake effect in DaVinci Resolve. Thanks for watching.